Hi there, in this short video I will show how can you permanently delete your folder or file through cmd command. We need to go to the search option, then write cmd, then press enter. I would like to delete this folder which name is test, and the source location of this folder in CD desktop. So first we write the location CD desktop, then press enter. Now write rd for deleting command, then write folder name test, then press enter. Now you can see the folder already deleted. Again I want to create another folder, name test1. I want to delete this folder. Again write rd space folder name test1 slash ? Press enter. Here you can see two options, /s and /q. When you use /s, it always notify you. When you /q use, that time it never notify you. Write rd folder name test1 /s. Now enter. Here you can see it notify you. Are you sure? Yes. Then write y and press enter. Now it deleted. That's why I created another folder name, and in inner folder I have created two define text file. As well as I want to copy a image and paste here. I want to delete these three defined file. First of all, I clear the window, write del for deleting, then the folder name test2, then press. Here you can see it notify you. Yes, then press enter. Now you can see in this folder already all the file and images deleted, and also in the recycle bin here also not shown. I want to delete this folder again. rd space folder name test2. Yes, now it gone. I want to delete this text, note.txt, del for deleting, then write note.txt, the extension file name, then press enter. Now done. So this way you can permanently delete your undeleted folder or corrupted file also. Thank you watching my tutorial.